How to use traffic is going to break down or discuss the two forms of traffic and how to use the two forms of traffic to get the results that you're looking for. It's not necessarily a sexy lesson, but it's a very important lesson. And I hope that you take plenty of notes or go back once it's said and done and summarize this part, because with traffic, it's really going to be the engine to make everything else leading up to this hum. And if you can get the traffic right, you can use it over and over and over again to make a substantial profit. So I look forward to seeing you on the inside as we begin to talk about traffic. Let's talk about traffic and why it's so important to what it is you're trying to get accomplished. Now, in reality, I don't care how the gurus try to dress it up, there are only two forms of traffic, and they are free and paid. Nowadays, there are a lot of free traffic methods, but for brevity's sake, we're going to touch on a few of them, and they are forums and social media. These two pretty much go without saying. With forum traffic, you do just like the word says. You go into a forum, you establish yourself as someone that knows what they're talking about, and in doing so, you funnel some of the traffic from the forum to the sites or the offers that you're promoting. Social media like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, you use these as a free medium, but you have to be careful when doing this because there's also a paid version that we're going to touch on down the road. And if you or the owners of these social media companies find out that you're doing it in an unscrupulous way, then they're going to shut your account down. So you have to walk a fine line between the free and paid sides of the social media aspect. However, there are tons of courses out there that can show you how to do it the right way without getting in trouble. But we're not going to touch on that right now. Exchanging thank you page ads. Now, this may sound complicated to you, but it's easier than you think. All you have to do is Google search keywords for offers that are similar to you. You email the owner of these offers and ask them if you can put their offer on your thank you page, and you'll do likewise. Now, when it comes to ad swaps, this is where you email your list someone else's offer. In return, this list owner will email to his or her list your offer. Think of it as scratching each other's back. It's mutually beneficial to both parties because it grows both of your lists and keeps your list happy at the same time. Now let's talk about paid traffic for a minute. Paid traffic comes in many different forms, but we're going to deal with three. Number one, solo ads. Solo ads have been around for years, and those that know how to use them effectively have benefited greatly. The owners of the list being paid to access carefully watch over their list to make sure that the people receiving the emails are content. This ensures that the receivers are content with the messages, and this keeps the list broker's audience large enough to make money off of. Number two, Facebook ads. Facebook ads, they're pretty much self-explanatory. There are hundreds of courses out there, and I mean hundreds, that teach you how to set up Facebook ad campaigns. Now, if you do this right, Facebook ads can be very lucrative. But if not, you could lose money very quickly. Number three, PPC or pay-per-click involves sources like Google AdWords or Bing ads. Now, I'm going to be upfront and honest. If you don't know what you're doing, you might want to skip PPC for a while. Like Facebook ads, there are a lot of courses that teach you how to properly go about setting up campaigns in the PPC or pay-per-click arena. So there you have it, my friends, the skinny on traffic. As we touched on, there are really only two forms of traffic, and they are free and paid. We talked about the different forms of free traffic ranging from forums to ad swaps. We then concluded with paid traffic, touching on Facebook ads and PPC. And I want to stress again, if you're not comfortable with these methods, please don't jump on them without a little knowledge. All right, we're getting down to the end of the course. In the last lesson, we're going to learn how to monetize your list. And I'm going to show you how to set up your marketing campaign to get maximum bang for your marketing buck. Are you ready? Let's go.